If you remember, I said to you last week, we are still expecting dollar to fall more. And that's exactly what the market have done. Hey traders, welcome to We Trade Waves weekly Forex forecast. Guys, I hope all of you are doing well and ready for today's video. Market was moving as expected for almost all the pairs and to the pip. For this one, I'll start as usual with the XY, the dollar index. This is 4 hours and we are using TradingView as a charting platform. I'll cover for you the XY, euro dollar, pound dollar, gold, all the way down to US oil, Bitcoin, US30. And today I have something special for you for S&P 500 at the end. So all of you are new to We Trade Waves. Make sure to subscribe, hit the bell icon to not miss any update, tip or move, and make sure to keep watching till the end to not miss anything. For this one, again, last week I said to you guys, I hope none of you got trapped with this up wave. Market will be falling again. And then this was the NFP, as most of you remember. And last week market was here. I said to you guys, we are expecting dollar to fall more. And that's exactly what the market have done. We've got a corrective structure here and then another fall. I hope all of you guys who trade this one made money, or again, a euro dollar to the upside, pound dollar to the upside, gold, and all the majors. You know that. So for this one, market gave us the corrective structure, another drop. On top of that, we have decided as well to give you the midweek market update. This is usually for WTW Pro members, but we have decided to give it to you guys on YouTube for free for the next couple of weeks, just for you to see what we usually give. And if you have watched this one, you will know like how market was moving to the pip. And if you haven't watched it, guys, I highly suggest you to do so. It's on our YouTube channel. This is the one here. WTWaves.com is our website, and all our official links are in the description under this video. So for this one, again, back to the charts before I continue to the next part. In this one, I'm still expecting dollar to keep falling. So dollar is weak, guys. If I go to the daily just to show you, especially for those who are new, this is still a downtrend. We are still within this downtrend to the downside. Any corrective structure we get here, small or big or pullback, any corrective structure is a sell opportunity to us, okay? So buying dollar from here, it might not be a wise idea. Of course, we can be wrong. We are not a signal service. We are trying to give you the correct bias here. And the trades of the week, I would say the chart analysis and everything is for our members internally, for WTW Pro members. In case you want to know more, I'll explain you more shortly regarding this one. But again, for the dollar, regarding the bias, regarding the direction, corrective structure, and another drop is what we can see next for this one. Any corrective structure is a sell opportunity to us. Alan, can you be wrong and this will push to the upside like that as a trend continuation pattern? Of course, it can be the case, but we will not buy. We are only focusing on the sell setups because we can see that the dollar will fall more, especially, I would say, Fed, we have a high chance that they will cut rates in September. And if that will be the case, you know, we'll get a corrective structure for another drop with a high chance, okay? Euro dollar for this one, market as well went as expected back to the 4 hours, and this was one of our trades of the week. Guys, the trades of the week are for WTW Pro members. They are shared every Sunday by T during the Sunday session, and this was one of them to the upside. Corrective structure up. It was crazy to the pip from here to here, and this was updated anyway during the midweek. Again, if you missed this one, guys, I highly suggest you to go back and watch it. As well, you have to watch this one because what I explain here at the end of the video, it should make sense, okay? So back to this one here, euro dollar to the upside, it was one of our trades of the week, and I hope all of you guys made money because our members, it was crazy week for them, okay? So for this one, market went to the upside, and what we're expecting next is a corrective structure for another push up. I'm still expecting euro dollar to push to the upside even more, okay? So this is the corrective structure, or part of it for now. This might be the complete corrective structure. After that correction, another push up. Alan, what if your dollar will fall like that? We know how to trade. It's not actually something that we just jump in without using any risk management. We have a complete system, and of course we'll update the masterclass, as most of you know now, shortly. So for this one, even if market will be falling, the only people who will struggle is those who are following blindly and they trade without any system. For us, we know exactly how to trade, guys, and we know how to maximize profits. Corrective structure for another push up is what we can see next. The levels, the trades of the week will be shared by T during the Sunday session as usual. Like, Alan, you always say like maximize profits. Like, what do you mean by that? Guys, when we are right, we make a lot of money, and when we are wrong, we make small loss. That's the thing. Like, any proof for that? I'll show you this one quickly before I jump to pound dollar. This was actually the Discord community, or this our Discord community, I would say. You will get access to this one as soon as join WTW Pro, all right? So for this one, just as usual, I'm showing you the success stories every single week. And this our website, again, this is WeTradeWaves actually .com, www.WeTradeWaves.com. This way you will see everything here, from how to join WTW Pro. This actually our Trustpilot profile, as most of you know. This actually we are rated excellent here, all the way down to just what you will get if you decide to join us. All right. So of course the basic course, so from A to Z, basic course, latest masterclass course, all the way down to the Discord community, the weekly sessions, daily sessions with our seniors, and this is how you can join. If you would like, you can just scroll down to see more proofs. This our testimonials from our members, more proofs as well, Trustpilot, and again, a lot of success stories. So on top of these success stories that we cannot post them all on the website, I'll show you just the last 7 days as usual inside the group. So for this one, Bilal, he was making some profits here. Well done, Bilal. This is actually 7K profits. Very good job. And I want to show you this one. This is what we really care about, guys. This, all right? So he was making actually $105,000 withdrawal for this one. And look at this one. You can see it here. This is what we actually really care about. Guys, you make profits and you withdraw it. That's the main point, because if you don't do that, what's the point? And you can read this one as well if you'd like to, just to see what he is saying. Abdel Nasir as well. This is from FTMO dashboard. Look at this one. Look at this fantastic growth graph for him. VJ as well, as you can see here, he is actually in the summertime, and he was able to make a lot of profits trading pound Swiss and gold alone. So well done, VJ. Very good job. All the way down, I want to show you something more as well. Look at this. This is what I want to show you guys. The deposit was 4K only, and look how much he is making in just another account, Bilal. Well done, Bilal. We are so proud of you. Make sure to just keep the focus, keep actually the discipline, and make sure to withdraw every time you make profits. Withdraw. Do not keep it, because just to not get euphoric and lose more money than you have made. For this one as well, Bilal, he was able to make this in the funded account, which is just like for fun. He was doing this one and he passed it. All the way down, Mustafa as well, he was able to make this much money. Fantastic, Mustafa. Well done. We are so happy for you. All the way down, again and again, MK, look at this one. This is what I want to show you guys. This, right? So people are making money. They are not just passing challenges. They are just making money and receiving payouts. That's the thing. Here, actually, to pass the challenges, you know you need the skill. And the skill you can get inside WTW Pro. Most of you know that now. It's just for you to take decision. If you want to join the best, I would say, community or not, it's up to you. But again, our members are succeeding big time. It's not one, it's actually a lot of them. And we cannot put it all on the website. I'm trying to show you this one just in the past 7 days on a weekly basis. So that's the thing, guys. If you want to jump to the next level, Weighted Waves is your solution. WTW Pro is your only solution to level up your trading game. And if you want to succeed and become an independent, successful trader, you have to take decision, guys. Bad habits, it will not go with time. It will actually, it needs decision. It needs action. And if you don't take action, you will keep wasting time and money, and you will keep losing again and again. So for that, your dollar, I think you know what to do here. Corrective structure, another push up is what we can see next. Pound dollar for this one as well, market went to the upside as expected. After this fall, market started to push to the upside, and this an impulsive wave. For this one, guys, I'm expecting pound dollar to push to the upside. Any corrective structure we get here is a buy opportunity, right? So if you get a corrective structure, you go for the buy, and we will wait our buy setups to get into the trade and make money trading this up wave, okay? Gold for this one as well. All of you know that we said, guys, gold is toward the upside. We are bullish for gold, and we are still bullish. For this one, any pullback, any corrective structure, one push up is very possible here. Any corrective structure here is a buy opportunity, right? So if you get a corrective structure here and a buy setup, you go for this one. I'm repeating, guys, a buy setup. Remember, we're at the top, but we are still expecting this one to push higher. This structure, guys, it might be here, this contracting flat in the middle. Just to let you know regarding the structure, up, this is 5 waves corrective structure in the middle here for this contracting flat. And here we might be starting another push up here to go and break this once more. Let's change the color for you. Up to break this once more, and potentially this one as well. But in all the cases, the bias is towards the upside. The levels will be shared by T tomorrow during the Sunday session for WTW Pro members. At 12 p.m. UK time, it starts usually. Do not miss them, guys. These sessions are very important. We cover everything, every single asset, majors, minors, commodities, indices, cryptocurrencies, and stocks as well. So if you have any question, you can ask live, and you will get your answer live, answered by T tomorrow, okay? So for this one, that's regarding the gold. Aussie dollar for this one, market actually start to push to the upside. And like I said to you last week, this might be a potential expanding triangle. Market push to the upside. If you trade this one, you must have made money, no question. What's next? Corrective structure here. Another push-up is what we can see next for Aussie dollar. Anytime market will give me a buy setup here, I might ignore it. I'll be waiting for market to give me a corrective structure before the next up wave. That's the structure. If you want to trade this one, you can do it. Our members, you know what to trade and how to trade. For you guys who are following on YouTube, you have to level up, guys. You have to invest in yourself. If you don't do it, it's your fault, okay? So for this one, market will give us a corrective structure before the next up wave. New Zealand dollar for this one, exactly the same. Market went to the upside, corrective structure up first, before a big corrective structure, and then after that, we'll update you. If we get a complete corrective structure here and then a buy setup, we'll go for it to the upside, okay? Dollar yen for this one, market is giving us a corrective structure for another fall. This might be a potential structure in the middle, but we cannot see that at the moment. For now, short-term scalping trade, if you want to go for this buy, you can go for it, guys. Scalping trade, okay? After this one, if this will be a complete structure and we get the sell setup, we'll go for the sell for dollar yen. Dollar Swiss for this one, it's exactly the same. Market is correcting. Anytime market will give me a corrective structure, complex or even a big one more drop, potentially another push up before the next fall, and then under this low, market will push to the upside. That's what I can see for dollar Swiss, guys, okay? Dollar CAD for this one, market is giving us a corrective structure. I'm expecting this to give me this one, corrective structure drop, and then after that, another push up is very possible. So this is a complete corrective structure if market will give us this one before the next up wave. Yes, all for this one, market went to the downside as expected. If you remember, I said to you last week, guys, this is a complete structure and market will be falling. That's exactly what the market have done. And of course, it's the same thing during the Sunday session and Wednesday update as well. So those of you who don't know, just go, guys, to this one and watch it just to know what we cover usually during the midweek update, all right? I want you to watch this one because it's very important, guys. It's not only regarding, I'd say, the signals. It's not signals. We are giving you guys the bias regarding the charts plus the levels. So the point is actually market is moving to the pip when we cover it. And that's something big. So in this one, again, once you go and watch it, you will see EURUCAD, you will see Pound Yen, you will see Aussie Yen trades to the upside. It was like crazy one, Pound CAD as well. So again, for this one, you watch it and as well, you decide if you want to join or not. Yes, all for this one, corrective structure, one more drop before the next up wave. Okay, so this might be a complete corrective structure before the next up wave. For now, forget this up wave and focus on the corrective structure, one more fall before the next setup. This is still toward the downside, okay? But if I need to subdivide this one for you, this wave needs to give us a corrective structure, okay? Bitcoin for this one, market is pushing to the upside. As most of you know, we are biased to the upside. But this structure, it can become slightly bigger. What I mean by that, one more fall is very possible before the next up wave. One more drop here before the next up wave is, again, something as a high chance. And if we get that, we are still biased to the upside. Bitcoin will push one more up, and we are still expecting market to push to the upside for this one, okay? I am bullish for Bitcoin, and any corrective structure is just a buy opportunity. Either as a trader or as an investor, this is a buy from here or from under this low. In all the cases, this will push to the upside for Bitcoin. US30 for this one, I'm still expecting this one to push up regardless of this break. It's not a break of structure. This for me, liquidity grab, which means any corrective structure is a buy opportunity. And we have a high chance for market to go up and break this top once more, okay? Again, do not follow us blindly, guys. Make sure to know how to trade, and you have to learn how to trade correctly. Without learning how to trade correctly, you will keep gambling the next wave. That's the bottom line, guys. And you have to invest in yourself. If you are not convinced that you need to invest in yourself, you will keep losing and you will keep wasting time. Decision is yours, guys. Joining us or not, we are the best trading community. We have the best system. That's no question regarding that. We have all the proofs anyway. It's just for you to take decision if you want to keep doing the bad habits that you are doing, or you want to jump to the next level and join the successful traders. SPX, which is S&P 500, just I want to add this here because I want to mention to you this one. You go back and you watch this one just to see what we are expecting regarding the next recession. We can be wrong as well. Exactly what we are explaining. You should not follow blindly, but this our analysis. If it makes sense, you know actually what to do. If not, you simply ignore. For this one, I want to show you something regarding the charts, guys. Usually the cycles repeat, okay? And in this one, this is just a copy of what market was doing here back in the days in this one. This is copy of the candles, okay? And if I put here just to show you something regarding how the cycles really repeat, I want to show you this part here. Just to show you like how the structure usually, they are similar in terms of the structure. Market went to the upside, and I'm still expecting market to push slightly up before the next drop. So 7K is the level that we are waiting before the next fall. This is a bonus just for those of you who are watching till the end with us. And again, for this one, this is something that we are watching. We are at the top. Market will be giving us a drop very soon based on the recession that might hit between, I would say, Q4 and Q2 of 2026, which is Q4 of 2025 and Q2 2026. If this will be happening, guys, regardless of whatever they are happening, the economic indicators usually they don't lie. Okay, so for this one, this is what we're expecting. So US30, S&P 500, they might keep pushing to the upside with, of course, some pullbacks in the middle. The levels will be shared by T during the Sunday session. Again, I'm repeating, but this will be falling, I would say, after a small push up, this will be falling. Of course, we are not actually, there is no magic numbers in this one. That's something just I want to cover here as a bonus tip or additional explanation, and more details will be shared during the Sunday sessions inside WTW Pro. With that note, guys, I hope you will get a great trading week. You trade with care, and see all of you next Saturday. Thank you very much.